Hi you guys, I hope you are having an absolutely awesome day so far. Today I am actually going to be doing another Sephora Play unboxing. If you saw the Sephora Play unboxing I did in December, you know that I was kind of disappointed. It wasn't the best Sephora Play box, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed that this one will be better. So I just got this weekend, so I'm really happy to jump into it. Here is what we have. So it looks like we have a zodiac theme this month, I think. Let's see, it says your 2019 beauty scope. So that's what that looks like. Let's open this. I'm hoping that we would get something from like a zodiac themed collection, something like that. I'm not sure though, so the bag looks like the same ones we've been getting for a while now. I'm just going to pull everything out of here because this is super plastic and crinkly. Let's see. Okay. This is going to be a unique bag. Okay. First of all, I am familiar with this brand and I have heard good things about this. This is from Four Sigmatic. They do like mushroom coffees and hot chocolates and things like that. I know that some of the mushrooms and some of the adaptogens and stuff they use can be really good for your skin, your health, your general hormone balance and stuff like that. I didn't know that Sephora was selling supplements though. Like, this is something I would consider trying, but this is not something I would subscribe to a beauty box for. This is the Four Sigmatic Mushroom Golden Latte Mix. It says beautify with shiitake and turmeric. So it looks like this is, what is in this? Okay, well, first of all, this has stevia in it. I do not drink stevia. I do not use any artificial forms of sugars if I can avoid it. If I'm going to have sugar, it's going to be the straight stuff. I don't like using plant-derived sugars because honestly, they typically have to be extremely processed. Even stevia is processed, and I know regular sugar is processed too, but again, we used to think NutraSweet was good for you. Some people still think aspartame is fine for you. Heads up, it's not. So I try and avoid things like that pretty much at all. So this is actually not something I would buy because it simply contains stevia in it. Also, I don't subscribe to Sephora Playbox for supplements. If this becomes a habit, I won't continue subscribing to this box. If I want health supplements, I will subscribe. I'm sure there's a subscription box out there for health supplements. This is not a good idea. Also, some people are very, very, very allergic to mushrooms. So I don't think it's necessarily a good idea to put a mushroom-containing product in with everything else, because if like one little speck of mushroom dust gets on anything, people can go into anaphylactic shock. So some people may have to throw out this entire box just for safety. So it's kind of a concern to me. I will try this just out of curiosity. I would never buy this though with stevia in it, and I'm really hoping we don't see more of this type of thing because again, I'm subscribed to this box for stuff that Sephora sells, especially in store, and I've never seen this in a Sephora before. I didn't think they carried health supplements, so not a big fan of that right off the bat. Okay, I think that this is our extra for the month. This is from Bite Beauty. Always excited to see things from Bite Beauty. I love them. This is their agave lip balm and agave sugar lip scrub in a one-time use packet. I wish they would bring back the perfume samples. Not a big fan of these one-time use packety type samples. I don't freaking like them. Please bring back the perfume samples. I will try this. It's very inconvenient. There's way more than one use of a lip balm here, but you can't exactly reseal it. So that's kind of gross to me. Again, not a huge fan, at least of the packaging. I'll probably love the product, to be honest. All right, let's see. Next we have is another product from Bite Beauty. We've been getting a lot of their like lipsticks lately. This is their matte cream lip crayon in glacé. Glacé, I'm guessing. I took like 6 years of French. I should be able to pronounce this. But this is a fairly big looking sample. This is really pretty, but again, I do like that it's a twist up and you get a decent matte product in here. That's nice. What I don't like is this is again mauve, a boring shade of mauve. For goodness sake, I have 500 products that are this color. In fact, I have 500 matte lip products that are this color. In fact, I'm pretty much already wearing this color on my lips already. I'm sick of this color. Sephora, please give us something else. Not everybody wants to wear this color. And also, if we've had a Sephora Playbox for more than like 3 months, you probably already have that color. So, I like the product. I'm not a big fan of the color. Now this I am excited to try this, and I'm actually going to try this out today, I think, because I need to wash my brushes. This is the Blender Cleanser Solid Pro. This is a beauty blender cleanser that you can use for your makeup brushes. It's infused with charcoal and it's like in a solid like little puck form. This I definitely will try because I tend to use things like this to clean my brushes. I like these a lot, so I will give this a shot and see how it works. I'm not sure how I'm going to do an empties on this. Maybe keep the packaging. So I will let you guys know what I think. Now, the last two products I'm excited about. What I am disappointed in is we only got one freaking makeup product, and it was mauve lipstick. That's it. This is the only makeup product in here. Why? Anyway, next product is the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. If you guys just saw my recent empties video, you'd see that I used the Laneige Water Bank Hydrating Gel, and I really liked it. And I've actually had the Water Sleeping Mask on my list of things to try. Smells really good. It looks very similar to the gel, but this has a little bit of a blue tint, and I'm guessing it's a bit thicker and heavier. So I will definitely be giving this a shot overnight, especially with our temperatures dropping down. Oh my gosh, Wednesday, the low is supposed to be like -5, which won't be too bad. That I could handle. We're supposed to have wind chills like as cold as -35. That's crossing the line. It's like if I lived in Canada or Siberia, I'd expect that, but that's a bit much. And the last thing in our box is this. Now this I'm excited to see. This is the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Brightening Serum. You guys know I've been getting really interested in vitamin C and its effects on the skin. And this says it has a 15% advanced vitamin C to rapidly brighten the appearance of the skin and boost vital skin balance in a flash. I like that they put this in a big packet, so you have a bunch of information about the product on the back, which I really, really like, because sometimes with the tiny samples, they can't give you a lot of information. But there's a lot of information on the product. And then inside, yeah, is a teensy little sample. False advertising much, guys? Anyway, this is 0.17 fluid ounces. And, yeah, it just says it's 15% advanced stable vitamin C. So we will see how this works. Pop this open. Ooh, and it's sealed. Okay. I'm not actually going to break the seal on this because I'm not going to try this right away because I'm actually giving my skin a break. Believe it or not, I've not washed my face. This sounds gross. It's not, I promise. I haven't washed my face with anything but water for 3 days now. And it's to give my skin a break and let my skin barrier kind of repair itself. And it's actually helping. I haven't had any new acne breakouts since about 3 or 4 days ago. My skin was just popping up everywhere. I was getting acne here, acne everywhere. So I just dropped all my freaking products. Of course, I put on makeup today, so I'm going to have to use something a bit more strong to get all that makeup off and actually use some products on my face. But giving your skin a full-on break is a really good idea once in a while. All right, let me go back through everything we got in the box. We got the Four Sigmatic Mushroom Golden Latte Mix. Again, I've heard of this company. I heard they're really good. I like what they're doing in the healthcare spectrum. Like, I have no problem with this company. What I do have a problem with is being sent a supplement when I subscribe to a beauty box, not a supplement box. And the fact that this has stevia in it. If it didn't have stevia in it, I'd probably be happier to see it. And if it came out of a supplement box and not what's supposed to be makeup and skincare box, I'd be even happier. So there's that. We got that. We got the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Balm and Sugar Lip Scrub mini sample. Not a huge fan of this style of sample, though I do like Bite products quite a bit. Then we got the Bite Matte Cream Lip Crayon in Glacé. Then we got the Blender Cleanser Solid Pro. Excited about that. We got the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask and the Sunday Riley CEO 15% Vitamin C Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. So, favorite and least favorite. Do I really need to tell you guys? Least favorite, favorite, of course. So, that was everything in our Sephora Play box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with me. To be honest, I am, again, not that pleased with this box. I'm very pleased with the skincare samples we got. I like the cleanser. That's nice. I think the makeup selection was like weak to non-existent. We have not seen a freaking eyeshadow or liner or even a new mascara sample in quite a while. Blush, highlight, bronzer, none of it. Like, even give me another concealer or something. Give me something to play with. I want some more makeup to play with Sephora, and I've noticed the sample sizes have been shrinking a little bit. Like, honestly, if you put all this stuff in this box, it's like barely. I think this is why they put the heavier plastic bags, is just because you're not actually getting that much anymore at this point. I don't know if it's entirely worth $10 a month at this point, especially when there's a lot of other boxes out there that have been getting a lot better stuff. So I'm going to keep an eye on this. I'm probably going to give it 1 to 2 more months, and if the boxes don't improve, I will probably cancel my Sephora Play subscription. However, if I end up doing that, what boxes do you guys like? If you get subscription boxes, what is your absolute like favorite subscription box out there? Or one that you think I would like or enjoy or have fun opening and sharing with you guys? Let me know, because I'm always looking for suggestions of what you guys want to see. So I hope that you enjoyed this kind of slightly disappointing video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also keep up with me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I am pretty much everywhere, and all the links for those are down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.